We begin with the topic, logarithms. This is a WAEC past question from the year 2017. We are given that log base 10 of x is 1.3010 and log base 10 of y is 1.6021. We are asked to find log base 10 of the square root of x over y. First, rewrite the square root. A square root is the same as a power of 1/2. Now we apply that idea inside the logarithm. Here is the power law of logarithms. The logarithm of a to the n equals n times the logarithm of a. Now, apply the power law. The 1/2 becomes a coefficient in front of the logarithm. Next is the quotient law. The logarithm of a over b becomes the logarithm of a minus the logarithm of b. Now, apply the quotient law to the expression inside the logarithm. Now, we substitute the given values for log base 10 of x and log base 10 of y. We now compute the difference. First, set up the subtraction. Now subtract carefully, using bar notation for negative logarithms. So the difference of the two logarithms is bar 1.6989. If this explanation is helping, please subscribe for more math solutions. Now substitute that result back into the expression we need. Let's interpret the bar notation. Bar 1.6989 means negative 1 plus 0.6989. Now write the expression inside the 1/2. We rewrite negative 1 plus 0.6989 as negative 2 plus 1.6989, so that dividing by 2 becomes easier. Now divide each part by 2, using the distributive idea. That gives bar 1 plus 0.8495. Now rewrite in compact bar notation. So the final answer is bar 1.8495. Don't forget to subscribe for more.